Experiencing termination, harassment, discrimination, or other workplace issues can feel overwhelming. You know you need an experienced employment lawyer to understand your rights, but you might not know what to expect. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, so you know exactly what happens when you have the right lawyer by your side. Step 1. Contact us. Reach out to us by calling, emailing, using live chat, or filling out a form on our website. Our intake team will respond quickly, usually right away, or within 12 hours if you contact us after closing hours. They'll provide all the information you need to get set up so you can get advice from our lawyers. We can typically schedule a consultation the same day or within a few days. Step 2. Your consultation. Once you've booked a consultation and sent in your documents, the lawyer will review everything and prepare for your meeting. During the consultation, the lawyer will review your case, explaining your rights and entitlements, answer your questions, and outline a strategy tailored to your situation. Afterward, you decide whether to work with us moving forward. If you do, we'll proceed to the next step. If not, you leave with valuable information about your rights, and the process stops here. Step 3. Negotiations before deciding to sue. If you choose to work with us, you'll be provided with an engagement letter outlining legal costs and terms. Once that's completed, your lawyer will usually send a legal demand letter to your employer to start negotiations, often seeking additional compensation and other terms. Negotiations typically last 1 week to 3 months. During this time, your lawyer will guide you on the best course of action and keep you informed of the status of negotiations. If you accept an improved offer, your case moves towards settlement and the process ends. Many cases settle at this stage, with an employee accepting a better offer. However, if negotiations don't reach a satisfactory resolution, you may wish to proceed with a lawsuit. To learn more about the litigation process, watch our next video. In conclusion, we're here to support you every step of the way. Our skilled and experienced employment lawyers are ready to guide you through this challenging time. Reach out to us for a consultation via our website at wittenlublin.com or call 416-640-2667.